Guys, today is Thursday and we are in the trade. Yeah, very simple concept, very beautiful. Yeah, the price action was basically down, make this high, break this low. Right now the price action kind of break this high, retest, try to retest this one, but it just was going up, enter here a buy at targeting these highs. Yeah, targeting these highs. It's very simple concept, it's nothing too crazy. Is a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward. We'll see how this price action will gonna end that kind of in profit, but the price action might gonna start, pull back a little bit, because here's the EMAs and all the blocks, and a lot of people, they will gonna take sales from here. Most likely the price action will gonna pull back. Either is gonna stop me out, either is just gonna move to the upside and still close my trade on take profit. So, we'll see. Stay tuned. Guys, I'm back with the update, yeah? So we finally got an answer and is an L, yeah? And this is the beautiful scenario, yeah? The reason why I want to mention that is because you can have the best bias ever, yeah? And you can say, yeah, I know 100% this is the liquidity, wherever, yeah? I know for sure the price targeting this high. The problem with that is you never know how it's gonna get there, yeah? And this is the reality of trading, what a lot of people, they don't understand. You could hear like a lot of interviews, yeah, you should know like where the market is going to, so you can take buys or sells, wherever direction the market is heading to. Even if you do have this information right 100%, is still a probability that you won't the correct entry. This is my case, yeah? So let's see what happened here, yeah? The price action very beautifully start pushing up, yeah? Was breaking this high, even took this high, yeah? But the problem is, because when I saw this beautiful candle, I'm like, let me enter a trade, yeah? And I was heading towards those highs. The problem with that, the price action literally, this is the second day when the price action gets nearly my take profit and just reverse and very nicely pulling back. How you see here, yeah, came to the break even, smashed me out, yeah, literally. That doesn't mean they know where's my stop loss is. But the problem with that is because that's how market manipulates the price, yeah? The price actually got here, then broke the structure and moved to the upside even higher and higher, yeah? The problem with all of that is you never know how the market will gonna get there. That is called uncertainty. Even if you do know where the price is going to, you never can predict how it's gonna get there. That's the only problem with the retail traders, they don't get. The only thing what we can do is just to open a trade and hope, expect, whatever you can call it, is gonna get to a take profit. If it's gonna stop you out and move to the take profit, it happens. That doesn't mean you have to change something. The problem with that is just, it's a numbers game. You have to let it play out the way how it plays out. When you open a trade, you have to get full responsibility on what's gonna happen, even if you're taking a loss or a win. And here it wasn't the case to reopen the trade and to make sure I'm still getting, because then usually what can happen, you're just gonna keep taking L after L after L after L, and you just keep revenging trades and you keep getting unprofitable. Just make sure you're gonna get your strategy, make sure you're gonna follow your rules. I'm not complaining about it. This stuff happens a lot of times. The only thing what I can say is I'm happy with the execution, with the following my plan, my trading plan, my strategy. Everything was fully completed like how it's supposed to be. And I'm not mad at all, to be honest. I'm not mad at all. The only thing what I have to do right now is just to take an L, delete this one, and just to wait for the next setup, because this is the second L in a row, and that's totally fine, guys. You can follow up all my trades and you will see every single trade I try to follow up the same way. I try to, best way I can to get profitability, and that's what I'm expecting to do. And one 2L in a row, that it won't change my mind like to don't trade as usual or to change my strategy. Don't do that. So yeah, guys, if you like this type of video, guys, make sure you're gonna like it. Comment if you do have any question. Maybe you do have some advice for me, because I'm not the best trader ever. So if just in case you have an advice for me, feel free to leave it down in the comment, and I will definitely read it and we'll try to figure out my trading also. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching me, and see you on my next one. Peace and love, guys. I'm out.